Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am excited to try out this beautiful lip gloss here. This is from the brand Lovecraft Beauty. It's the Glare Gloss that I have here in the shade Dream Pop. And I just got this in my March 2022 Ipsy Glam bag. So this is a sample size. The full size retails for $16. This is a great sample size though, and it's really cute packaging. So if you have not seen that Ipsy unbagging video yet, that is now up on my YouTube channel. But okay, let's get into this. I love kind of tinted, shimmery glosses, and oh my gosh, I just got to glance at my lips in the mirror and they are looking very dry and terrible. So I'm hoping to see a big improvement in how my lips look once I apply this. But so it has that doe foot applicator. Surprisingly, no scent to it. I do kind of like when my lip glosses have a nice fruity or sweet scent to it, but they definitely don't have to. It's just a little added bonus that I feel like is kind of a nostalgic thing for me because growing up, I loved to collect scented lip glosses. But okay, let's just go ahead and see how this is on my dry lips. A very nice texture, kind of on the thicker side for a gloss, which I like. It is noticeably shimmery. It doesn't have any grittiness from that shimmer though, but let's see. I want to actually do a swatch and see if there really is any color to this. It doesn't really seem like it though. Yeah, I would say that's pretty much clear, but it does have some decent shine, but that shimmer makes it look even shinier. So it is flattering and enhancing on the lips with that little shimmer because it's not like chunky glitter, it's very tiny little shimmer, but there's a lot of it. So I'm liking this on my lips alone, but I also feel like this would be such a pretty lip topper because of that shine and shimmer. And it definitely has moisturized my lips, but it's not completely hydrating. I still have a little bit of that chapped texture on my lips, so it does kind of coat on top of that, but my lips definitely feel and look more hydrated. It's just not completely hydrating. But all in all, this is a beautiful lip gloss. Super easy to apply, super easy to wear and pull off, and very comfortable, not super sticky. And I'm really liking how my lips look now. So I am happy with this. A very quick, successful lip gloss review. If you've tried this lip gloss before, maybe you've tried it in other shades, I would love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below. But also let me know, what's your favorite type of lip gloss? Do you like a clear gloss, a shimmery gloss like this, something high shine, something tinted? I feel like I really like it all. I have a huge lip gloss collection behind me here, and I am excited to add this to that. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.